How to solve 8 to the power of square root of x, which is equal to square root of 16 to the power of x. Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this exponential equation. So if you are new here, kindly do subscribe, like and share the video. So let's get started. The first step here, we can write 8 at its index, which is 2 to the power of 3 power square root of x, which is equal to, also write square root of 16 to the power of x at its index, which is 16 to the power of x power half, because if we have square root of a is the same thing as a to the power of 1 over 2, right? Therefore 2 to the power of 3 square root of x, which is equal to, also write this 16 at its index, we have 2 to the power of 4 power x power 1 over 2. And we have this property, if we have a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of mn, so we can apply this rule to this equation. Therefore 2 to the power of 3 square root of x, which is equal to 2 to the power of 4x power half, and 2 to the power of 3 power x, which is equal to 2 to the power of 4x over 2. From here we can cancel the common factor here, which is 2 cancel, and 2 here is 2, which is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 2 to the power of 2x. From here we have same basis, we can equate the powers. That is 3 square root of x, which is equal to 2x. From this step we can square both sides. These 2 get cancelled with this square root, and these 2 affect this 3, which is 9 multiplied by x, which is equal to 4x squared, right? 9 times x, we have 9x, which is equal to 4 to the power of x squared. 4 to the power of x squared minus 9x, which is equal to 0, when this 9 crosses this equality sign. Then we have x in common, so we can factor x outside. X open bracket 4x minus 9 close bracket, which is equal to 0. Now we have two solutions here to solve. X is equal to 0, or 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. And 4x is equal to 9. Divide both sides by 4, here by 4. 4 get cancelled with 4, and we left with x is equal to 9 over 4. Therefore the value of x equals 9 over 4, or x is equal to 0. We can verify the value of x equals to 0 from the original equation. So we have 8 to the power of square root of x, which is equal to square root of 16 to the power of x. So let's choose x is equal to 0 first. So 8 to the power of square root of 0, which is equal to square root of 16 to the power of 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Then 8 to the power of 0, which is equal to 16 to the power of 0 is 1. And 8 to the power of 0 is 1, and 1 square root is 1. That is 1 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget all these steps, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.